Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1918 at Shangri-La Kuala Lumpur. That's the doorbell. And here's the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door. With the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have your light switches, do not disturb switch, as well as a slot to insert the key card for the room's power. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here we have a dining area with obviously the dining table and 4 chairs, storage right there, a mirror, and right here we have the kitchen area. With a microwave. I believe there used to be a hob right here, since you have the thing right above. Sink, cupboards below, drawers, have more cupboards right above. And right here, this would be the fridge. And right up here, storage. Right here we would have the bar-like area with a coffee machine, water, cupboards and drawers below. Flat screen Philips TV with storage beneath. An extra bed. 2 armchairs, a sofa, table in the middle with obviously tables on either sides of the sofa with lights. This is the view that you get from the living room. Here, the climate control panel, and right here we have the bedroom with the desk area, place to hang your suit, in-room telephone, all the plugs and whatnot. A mirror, hello. Another flat screen Philips TV with more storage. We'll get to the bed in a while. Because behind here we have a hallway which has a place to put your luggage, light switches, the wardrobe. You have drawers, cupboards, and in here, ironing board, iron, in-room slippers, bathrobes, hangers, extra pillows and whatnot right above. And you have have some shelves on the far left of the wardrobe. Here we have the bathroom with another mirror, sink, bathtub, toilet, and the shower area with a chair. Okay. Here we have the bed with one bedside table. You have a piece of glass to look at the drawer below, storage, in-room telephone, clock, all the various light switches and plugs, and a light with a mirror behind it. And same goes for the left side of the bed. You have the bedside table, drawer, glass, storage, light, mirror. And on this side you have tissues as well. Okay, so the view out is of KL Tower again. You can't see much, but if I bend down, you can see the top if you actually bend your body more. But that is the rest of the view. Okay, so that's it for the room tour of room 1918 at Shangri-La Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.